Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Epic Games account to your EA account. As you can see here, this is a prepared article and answering on how to link this to account. So first, the EA has included here that you just need to install EA app, and also after installing it, you can now purchase a game and then link your Epic Games account. So this applies to on how you can link Epic Games to your EA account by installing a product or game inside the Epic Games launcher. Now, after purchasing and installing this game, and after opening it, it will ask you or show a pop-up window where you can connect both of your EA and your Epic Games account. So once these two accounts is linked into this game, you can now connect or link both of your Epic Games account and your EA account. And that's how you can link these two accounts, and thank you for listening.